Hi guys, this is a simple tutorial on how to transfer your program that you've done on your computer over into the microbit chip itself. To do this, you'll need a couple of things. You'll need the microbit opened, and you'll need to connect the USB cord to the microbit, not the battery, just the USB cord, and plug that into your computer. Alright, so the first thing to do is once I've finished my programming and I'm happy with it, this is a simple coin toss one, I come down the bottom here and save it as whatever I want, heads or tails is what I've done, and then I click download. It'll do this, and it'll probably come up with an error saying there's no application set to open the document, and that's fine. I'm not wanting to open the document. So don't worry about choosing an application or going to the App Store. You just click cancel. It's already downloaded, so that's fine. That's all we need. Your next step, you can close that if you want. Your next step is to go into your Finder down the bottom. Click on that. And you'll see down the side here, you'll find applications downloads. You want to go into downloads. If you haven't got it organized by date, you simply come up here, click on this button and go organize by date modified, and then it'll show up the most recent things of today are here. You can see here I've already downloaded it several times. Those numbers just are the copies that have downloaded it 5 times, 6 times in fact. So once you've found that, all you're going to do is grab one of those, doesn't matter which one, if you download it 6 times, doesn't matter. Grab one of those, hold and drag it over to the side where it says microbit, and just drop it in there. It'll do this for a little bit. It'll come up with a copying thing, and then after it's finished copying, which is now, it'll come up with that probably. That's okay, just click close, and that's pretty much done. The only thing I would suggest is to click back into Finder and eject the microbit properly. So come over to the side, click eject, and then you can take the microbit out. When you disconnect the microbit from your computer, you'll then need to connect the battery to the microbit itself. So the battery should come in a box. It's a little battery pack with a cord, and just have a look at the markings on the battery pack and the actual plug on the cord, and just match it up so that you insert it properly into the microbit, and that should turn the microbit on. And your program should come up on the microbit from there. For this one, it was a simple heads or tails sort of experiment where you press a button and the microbit says heads or the microbit says tails. Some of them you'll need to shake, like the rock, scissors, paper. It just depends what the program is. So test it out. If it's not working at all and there's no lights coming up, on the back of the microbit there is a power button, so you may need to switch that on. Not usually though. If nothing is working, no lights are coming on no matter what happens, possibly the battery pack could be low and the batteries need to be replaced. It shouldn't be the case, but it can happen. So just check that first or come and see your teacher. Alright, hopefully that helps you to download your program onto the microbit and start playing. Thank you.